Hi, and welcome back to the LEM Products YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the drawer on your 1700 series grinder. The grinder that I'm showing you guys today is the number 5 grinder. However, this tutorial should work for anything in that 1700 series manufactured after 2017 or later, whenever we added the drawer to your particular model. But in front of me here, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Basically, all that you're going to need for this repair is a replacement drawer module and a Phillips head screwdriver. Very, very easy to do everything. So we have 6 total screws on the outside that we're going to be taking off. Always make sure that you're putting your screws in the same spot so that you don't end up losing them. Thankfully, the screws on the outside of the grinder are all pretty much the same for this shell area, but you don't want to end up losing any screws or anything like that. Always a big pain in the butt. I did go ahead and actually already remove the screws on the other side a bit earlier. Go ahead and put your case in a safe place, and then because we took off both screws on the top and bottom, you'll actually be able to go ahead and remove this guy as well. Next, you're going to go ahead and set your grinder on its side. I've got 2 screws here on the bottom of this one. Taking these screws out will mean that you can just slide everything right out of the front. We've got 2 more screws to do after this one. Okay, the last screws that we're going to be removing are on the inside of the drawer here. So with those bottom 2 screws removed, you can just pull this drawer right out of the front. There we go. And then we'll remove the other 2 screws from the inside. It's a lot easier to do this once the drawer is already removed, thankfully, because you don't have to worry about working around the weird angles from the drawer being in the way. And hopefully this goes without saying, but you always want to make sure that your grinder is turned off before doing any kind of work on the internals of it to avoid electrocution or anything bad like that. Okay. And you'll want to be very careful whenever you pull the drawer out. There are going to be some cables and stuff like that in the way for the internals of the grinder, but once you have that out, you can just slide it right out of the back. We usually send over the full unit, and then you can just slot everything in, replace the old one, and you should be able to do it in probably less than 20-25 minutes, especially if you're pretty handy and good with a screwdriver. But let's slap this bad boy back together, and we'll wrap the video up there. But basically, you're just going to repeat everything in reverse. And this is what I was talking about too whenever I mentioned using some care and finesse. On the bigger grinders, this won't be an issue, but if you're working on a number 5 or a number 8, then you're going to have a little bit of a smaller internal chamber. So it'll take a little bit more care to get things back where they need to go. But there we go. Got our grinder door back assembled. Hopefully this was helpful and you guys learned something. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.